Hello children. You already have learned how to make sentences. So let's revise our topic, sentence building. Do you remember superhero swag? Start a sentence with a capital letter. It should be written neatly, a space between words, and give punctuation at the end of sentences. Now look at the first picture. What is it? It is a chair. Chair is a name of a thing, and naming words are called noun. Let's talk about this chair. What is the color of the chair? Yes, beige and brown. Now you can make this sentence. The color of the chair is beige and brown. Now tell me the size of the chair. Is it big or small? The chair is big. What is the chair made up of? Is it plastic or wooden? Yes, it is made up of wood. So it is a wooden chair. How many legs does it have? It has 4 legs. Now I am going to give you word bank, which is going to help you in making interesting sentences. Come on, read it with me. Blue, red, big, small, wooden, plastic, 4, comfortable, beautiful, colorful. Now here are some sentences. Repeat it with me. It is a big chair. The chair is made up of wood. The color of the chair is brown. The carpenter made a colorful chair. My father bought a wooden chair for me. Look at the picture. Can you guess the word? Yes, the word is playing. Where are the children? The children are in the park. What are they doing? They are playing. So you can make this sentence that the children are playing in the park. What is the boy doing? You can give him a name. Ben is playing with a toy. What about the girl? You can give her a name. Sally is playing with the ball. What are the children doing? They are playing badminton. So you can make this sentence, my brother or sister is playing badminton in the garden. Now look at the boy. He is looking happy. Now you can give him a name. Ali is happy because he is playing with his friend. The word bank. These words are going to help you in making interesting sentences of playing. Now revise it with me. Sister, brother, dollhouse, cricket, ground, house, park, garden, school, football. It's time for warm-up session. Come on, sing it with me. I am a sentence, I am a sentence. I like to eat nouns. I like to eat verbs. I am hungry, I am hungry. I want to eat everything. Look at the picture. Our next word is milk. As you all know that milk is good for our bones. Where do we get milk? We get milk from cow. Milk is very good for our bones and teeth. These pictures are going to help you in making interesting sentences. Look at the first one. Cow gives us milk. The second one, the cat is drinking milk from the bowl. Look at the last picture. The children are drinking hot milk. You can make some more sentences. My father brought 2 bottles of milk. Children should drink milk every day. And my mother brought some cheese and milk. This is the word bank which is going to help you in making different sentences. Repeat it with me. Good, bones, teeth, babies, drink, young, please, give, coconut, cheese, bought, mother, butter, everyday, children, drink. Here is another picture. Can you guess the next word? Yes, it is school. Let's talk about your school. Look at the first picture. Where are the children going? They are going to school. When do you go to school? You can make this sentence, I go to school at 8 o'clock. Look at the next picture. What are the children doing? They are cleaning their school. So you can make this sentence, we should keep our school clean. How many rooms are there in your school? There are many rooms in my school. With whom do you go to school? You can make this sentence, I go to school with my father. I go to school in a van. First picture. What are the children doing? The children are sitting in a computer room. Do you have a computer room in your school? So you can make this sentence, there is a computer room in my school. Look at the next picture. The boy is crying. He is not happy. So you can make this sentence that my brother cries when he goes to school, or you can give him a name. Now here is the word bank for the word school. Repeat it with me. Daily, starts, school, house, brother, goes, computer, room, cries, keep, clean, near. Look at the picture. Where is the boy? The boy is under the table. Our next word is under. Look at the first picture. Where is the dog? Under the table. What is the dog doing? Sleeping. So you can make this sentence, the dog is sleeping under the table. Now move on to the next picture. The boy is sitting under the shady tree. Now let's move on to the last one. What is the boy doing? You can give him a name. Tom is hiding under the bed. Look at the boy. He's a naughty boy. Where is he hiding? He is hiding under the bench. So you can make this sentence that the naughty boy is hiding under the bench. Now move on to the next picture. Where is the mouse standing? The mouse is standing under the table. The word bank for you, which is going to help you in making sentences. Sleeping, table, sitting, shady, tree, hiding, naughty, clever, bench, mouse, standing. It's time to practice what you have learned today. You have to make different sentences of the words which we have discussed. So enjoy your home task.